So here I am again. This is the last video I'm doing today. I've completed the dual clock module, and I've got the backplane so it's usable for testing. I'm now going to demonstrate the the signals. I just get my magnifying glass so I can see properly. Right then, so can you see the scope okay? Right, so I'm looking, so it's turned on, it's running. I'm looking, so on this dual header, on the one side you've got the clock 2 pulse coming through, on the other side you've got the clock 1. So if I go here, we've got the clock 1, and you can see it's, I don't know if you can read that, but it says 7.36971 megahertz, and on the I'll show you in a minute on the board. So if I now move over to the clock 2 position, and that one you can see is reading 3.6865 megahertz. So we've got our clock signals there, and then last of all the reset. So let me just put this on. So I press the reset button. There we are, there's the reset pulse. So everything appears to be working as expected. Yeah, I think that's about. So I just turned the board off now. I just want to show you a couple of other things. What was it I was going to show you? Oh yeah, so there's clock 1, and you can see it's set at 7.3728, and clock 2 is 3.6864. So yeah, okay, I'm really pleased with that. Everything seems to be working as expected. Thank you for watching. God bless you.